Welcome to Phone Doctor's iPhone 6 screen replacement tutorial. On a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the most difficult, this repair is rated a 5.5. The estimated time for this repair is 25 minutes. You will need the following tools to complete this repair. Visit us at PHONEDOCTORS.com. Use coupon code YouTube110 and receive 10% off your entire purchase. Don't forget, with the original screw mat, you will never lose a screw again. Screw mat is available for Apple devices and most popular Android devices. You can also find and visit us on all the popular social networks. Let's get started on the repair. Step 1. Ensure your device is powered down. Step 2. Remove the 2 bottom screws with the pentalobe screwdriver. Step 3. If the glass of your device is shattered severely, it is best to use a suction cup to pull up the screen. Be careful not to scratch up or dent the housing when prying up the LCD. Step 4. Remove the 5 LCD screws with the 00 Phillips screwdriver. This is so you can unplug the LCD and digitizer flex cables. Then remove the LCD and digitizer shield. Step 5. Unplug the 4 LCD digitizer flex cables from the board. Step 6. Remove the 3 Phillips screws from the proximity shield. Then remove the shield and remove the ear speaker. Step 7. Remove the proximity front camera flex with your plastic pry tool. Please keep in mind that these flex cables can tear easily, so be cautious. Step 8. Remove the 3 Phillips screws to remove the home button flex. Unplug the connector and carefully remove physical home button and home button flex from the housing. Step 9. Remove the 6 Phillips screws to remove the LCD shield from LCD frame. Reassembly. Step 10. Insert LCD protective shield back on the LCD frame and insert all 6 Phillips screws. Step 11. Insert the physical home button into the housing and align the home button flex and plug in the connector. Align the home button shield and insert the 3 Phillips screws. Step 12. Insert the proximity front camera flex back into the LCD frame. Make sure it is securely inserted or your proximity sensor will not work. Align ear speaker back into place. Align shield and insert the 3 Phillips screws. Step 13. Plug all LCD digitizer connectors back to the board. Step 14. Align the shield and insert all Phillips screws and securely close screen back onto housing. Step 15. Insert the 2 pentalobe screws back into the bottom of housing. Step 16. Power on your device. Test the functions to make sure you had a successful repair. Then give yourself an awesome thumbs up. Thanks for watching. We hope this tutorial helped. Check back soon for more repair videos from Phone Doctors.